Hello everybody, this is Professor Hart Toot Toot, and today we're going to continue our sustainable science course. Our big challenge is compost, and we are going to make a creative compost bin using items we already have at home. Holes in the lid, and I need to do this because air needs to move in and out. So just put a few holes in there. Have a teacher or an adult help you with this part. Because we have holes in the cover, I'm going to make a screen out of fabric, and we need to do that because there might be bugs in our compost, and if so, I don't want them to come out of the hole. Here's an easy way to make it a little smaller. We're going to fold it in half and then cut a half moon. And you can have an adult, your teacher, a parent, a troop leader can help you with that cutting part. And there's our circle, and we're going to glue it into our lid, and that way we can make sure if there's any bugs in there that they won't be able to get out. You can use glue or duct tape or another type of tape to secure the screen to the lid. I want to make sure the lid is still able to close really tight. I found this strainer in my cupboards, and it happens to fit inside the composter. So I was very lucky. This is something I found that I already had, and I'm going to put it nice and even here. And this way, as the compost starts to change, the liquid or water will come on the bottom, and all the other things will stay up top. One other hole, and it's going to be a drainage hole, and I'm going to put it right here. And I'm going to do that because as more liquid collects in the bottom, it's called compost tea, and I might want to drain it out. This is a plastic straw from long ago. I don't use plastic straws anymore, but I saved this one, and I'm going to use it as part of my drain. So I'm going to upcycle my straw and use it for something new. And then I'm going to put glue around the straw so nothing leaks out. And now we have to let that dry. Wait for the glue to dry on the little drainage tube I made. I decorated with a butterfly, and I'm also going to add a little green heart. Glue is dry on our bin, so now I'm going to put in the strainer I found so we can see if we can get some tea for fun. And there's our decoration on our Creative Indoor Compost bin. The newspaper has to be shredded. This is clean. It doesn't have any pizza or oil on it, anything like that. So there's our newspaper, part of our brown paper bag, and we are going to make this reusable and recyclable because it's going to go into our compost bin. So we're going to shred this and put the pieces in along with our newspaper. We are going to add what they call our green part of the compost. So that's our food scraps, our veggie scraps, and this is zucchini parts. And so there we have another layer. The banana peel. It used to be yellow. I saved it in a box for our compost experiment, so I'm going to put that in, and soon everything else in here is going to start turning this color. I'm going to add some orange peel. I'm going to break it up because we have a small bin indoors. Leaves, this is considered brown. These are from cinnamon tea, and I let the bags dry, and now we can put those in. And here's some cardboard, clean cardboard. And now I'm going to break up some egg cartons, and we're going to put this in here. We have more of the brown than the green, and brown means the papers and the leaves, and the green means types of food. So I'm going to get some of my salad scraps. Some bad parts of spinach, they started going a little rotten, so I'm going to add these in, and that is going to do it for today, what we're putting in. Mix it up a bit here. We're going to put on our cover of turning food scraps into compost. Okay. Here's our finished bin. We decorated it, made it fun. We added a tea drainage tube. That is optional. You do not have to put in the tube. I'm not sure if it's a good idea, but we'll find out. We have our food scraps and our browns in here. I added the strainer, but we don't have to have the strainer. I just thought I would see what happens. And now we need to put our cover on. Very important that we have the date of our experiment, 4/4/2020. This way we know how long it takes to make our compost. Stop our drainage pipe and added another cover to the holes. We don't want bugs. That is the end of our compost class for today. It is time to close the library. And remember, when the Earth's heart is happy, our heart is happy. And this is the end of our zero waste class for today.